Hello friends, welcome to my new video. My name is Amrit. In this video we talk about Samsung Smart Monitor M8 along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Samsung Smart Monitor M8 officially goes on sale in South Korea for the price of $692. It is just 11.4 mm thick, making it significantly thinner than the previous models. It features a 32-inch 4K Ultra HD display that supports 99% sRGB color, 400 nits of brightness, and 1.07 billion colors. It is powered by the same Tizen platform and ships with an IR remote running the Tizen OS. It also doubles as a SmartThings hub, providing full compatibility with Samsung's IoT ecosystem. It has a magnetic and movable slim fit camera that can be attached to the monitor and supports video chat apps like Google Duo. There's also a workspace feature which acts as a hub for work-related things and supports apps like Microsoft 365. There's a USB Type-C port with support for video and power delivery and supports 65W fast charging. Samsung has also said that the users will be able to the Smart Monitor M8 to stream games and connect wireless controllers to it. So friends, how did you like this M8 monitor? Do let us know by commenting in the comments section of the video and please subscribe our channel.